Hey you guys, it's Jeremy and welcome to the channel where we talk about how to really upgrade your vibration and really get into identifying your natural gifts, your true natural gifts, to really live the life that you want, to get unstuck, to feel fulfilled, and to really just feel confident in what you are naturally just great at and what you have to give others. So in this video, I want to talk about law of attraction. We talk about law of attraction and some other subjects such as manifestation a lot on YouTube, on social media, all over. And these things are very, very similar to each other, okay? Law of attraction is, has a lot of different types of viewpoints about it. Some people may talk about it in a different way than others. And in this video, of course, I'm just giving my own opinion on it, but it's my truth. And I know a lot of you guys are going to really relate to this and really feel into it and really just get something out of it. So one thing about the law of attraction that you really need to know, okay, is that whatever you put out into this universe comes right back to you. And something even more important, really, is the fact that the reality that you desire is already there. The reality that you desire already exists. It already is there. There's something called parallel universes, parallel realities, okay? And we can either switch to fear and love. And depending if we switch to fear and love, we are either going to be getting further away from that reality that you really desire, that true love and compassion for all, and just receiving everything that you truly need to uplift others and yourself and live the best life ever, and not be so constrained to what other people are saying and what other people tell you should do or what society says we should do. Okay? It's all reflection. Everything, the reality you have right now is a reflection on basically what's going on inside of you. Okay? But just remember that the reality that you you really want to feel into and really live, you are able to tap into that anytime and tap into that feeling, because that's really what it is. Okay? And if you are in a position right now where you're trying to attract something, you're trying to attract yourself or manifest yourself out of a certain situation, but you're feeling like you're stuck, the reason you're still stuck and just feeling that turbulence and just feeling that, this unpleasant feeling is because really you are focusing too much on that. You're focusing on what is, and you're not focusing on what could be. You're not surrendering, okay? That's another thing. Surrendering really is what you need to do in order to get in alignment with truly who you are, truly the gifts that you have, okay? And just the fact that you are going through trouble right now, or you might not be going through trouble right now, but depending on who you are, you might be. And if you are going through a situation that you just don't really want to be in at this moment, that's growth. There's growth within that, and you can move out of that. So just remember that, when we're talking about law of attraction, manifesting your desires, or just anything in general, that you, okay, can tap into that reality that you desire anytime. And it may sound crazy. You may be like, well, Jeremy, how do I just get into this, attract that thing right away? Okay, it's a process. And I'm not talking about a process necessarily that you have to do yourself. And yes, of course, you're going to act on these things. You're going to get inspired. You're going to get inspired, and you are just going to want to take action naturally. Because when you're taking action naturally towards your goals, you don't really think about it. You don't have that turbulence anymore. It's just natural and flowing. It's just natural and flowing, and you're in that harmony where everything is just aligning because you are in alignment. And to come into alignment with that reality that you desire, okay, you must realize that it's all within you. It's your reality. You are always creating your reality with your thoughts, with the things you say, with the things that you surround yourself with the food you eat. It goes on and on and on. And yeah, just remember, guys, just remember that it's all within you. It's all within you already. And just remember and be okay. Be okay with where you're at right now. Be okay, because you have things to learn within that, all right? So this is just a short little, probably 6-minute video. I hope that makes sense to you. Just let me know in the comments if that makes sense to you. And yeah, I love you guys.